Hi everyone, I haven't made a video in a long time and we're going to make some cane sauce or whatever type of sauce you like to call it. We have a Cane's where I live, so I'm going to call it cane sauce and it's delicious. Let's do it. I first want to start out by saying this is not my own recipe. I got it online from Genius Kitchen. I'm doubling my recipe, but these are the ingredients from that website. We have this, I never know how to say it, Worcestershire sauce. Yeah. It actually called for garlic salt, but I don't have garlic salt. I have garlic powder with salt. So we're going to do that together. Ketchup, mayonnaise, and some pepper. All right, let's make it. All right, so as I said, I am doubling this recipe I got from online. And the first thing for my recipe is 1 cup of mayonnaise. All right, that's about a cup. Mayonnaise is kind of a weird consistency, so let's put this in there. Yummy. What a great noise that made. All right, with the same one, 1/2 cup of ketchup. Again, I'm going to say that's about half. I'm not usually one to measure, but I figured for a video I would. Yeah. Take this. Get the rest of that, I guess. All right, let's give that a quick stir because that looks disgusting. All right, that's pretty much the base of the sauce, I guess. I know that sauce, mayonnaise and ketchup just together is called something else, but apparently what these other ingredients really bring out something just tangy and delicious, and oh, I love it. Love it. So, next thing we have is 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Now I only have garlic powder and salt. This is a teaspoon. I'm not going to measure it. I'm just going to put some, well, I'll measure the salt. We'll do about 1/2. Looks good. And the garlic powder, I'm not measuring it. It's just do some like this. Perfect. And again, let's just give this a stir. Next, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of pepper. All right. And last but not least is 1/2 teaspoon of whatever this is called. I can never get it right. All right, that looks about perfect. And let's do our last stir of this. What I like is a little more garlic in it, and I'm going to put more. Right now it tastes a little too peppery for me, which is great, but I love garlic, so I'm going to add a little more garlic powder to it. Again, the website I got this from is called Genius Kitchen, and they recommend putting this in the fridge for a little bit to kind of, you know, get colder. So I'll be back a little bit later. I'm going to put this in a smaller dish because this is ridiculous to have in the fridge for such a small amount. And I'm going to try dipping something in it and we'll see how it tastes. Talk to you soon. All right, I'm here with my enormous pile of fries that I can only have maybe 2 or 3 of. They're not part of my diet. And then we have our cane sauce, which I snuck a little bit. The consistency now is thicker. It thickened up in the fridge, which is great. That's a lot. I wanted to make chicken with it, but I don't happen to have just chicken that I can make right now. So we're going to do this. Yep. It tastes like cane sauce. It's delicious. There's the cane sauce recipe. Again, it thickened up quite a bit. And I gotta get these french fries away from me because they're so good. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.